Hey guys, welcome back to the 50th episode of Up-N-Runnin. I know it's hard to believe, time flies when you're having fun. Anyway, on today's episode, we were going to do quite a bit more things on the T-Bird today. However, somebody came by the shop and offered to buy it from me, so it's going away. So unfortunately, this is going to be the last episode, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, another thing I noticed is this window, I tried to turn the crank and it's kind of sticky. I know which way it's going now. The gear feels okay, it just feels like it's really sticky. I'm working it, I'm going to get a little spray to lube that up a little bit. Starting to move now a little more freely. I'm just trying to work it back and forth. Just one of those things, you got to be a little patient. It should work itself out. It's starting to move a little better now. It's just super tight. I think just near the crud, it hadn't been opened a lot. It's starting to work better now. There we go. One little tight spot like right there. But overall, good. We can check another thing off the list. Alright, move on to something else. Alright guys, I'll show you the difference that the chrome polishing is making. You can see how this looks really pretty decent for really old trim. And then you get over here and you can see it's all dull and a lot of dirt, grime, stuff like that. I did the inside of this pillar in here as well. And you can see what the front bumper looks like. It made a big difference. Trim around the headlights. Alright, I noticed as I was polishing the mirror is kind of loose on here, so let's tighten it up. Nice and snug now, just the way it should be. Another thing that won't rattle when you're driving down the road. That little stuff makes a big difference on these cars. Alright, I got all the trim polished up. Made a huge difference in the way the car looks. Alright, on to the next. Alright, I'm not sure if that red lens was just barely hanging in there, or if I knocked it out when I was cleaning, but either way, it fell out. So I'm going to take that out, clean it up, and I'm going to repair it. It's definitely been out before. You can see there's glue on it. So I'm going to figure out what I can do to get that back in there and make it right. Alright, last time they glued this, they used some kind of an epoxy or something, and it's super hard. This is probably a little aggressive, but I'm just being real careful, and it's coming off fairly nicely. Alright, that's going to work really well. I just have to glue it back into place and you'll never be able to tell. Perfect. Alright, I've got some extra parts for this car that are going to go with it, so I'm going to go ahead and get them loaded up. Hi guys, the T-Bird's gonna go live somewhere new, so I thought I'd give you guys one last look at it. I gave it a bath, kind of got it all shined up, so here you go. Alright, that's going to do it for the 1964 Thunderbird. I hope you enjoyed watching the car. Be sure to come back next time to see what we work on next. Thanks for watching. I hope you're liking it so far. On today's episode, we're going to